Mati Stepanek once said, "Unity is a strength. When there is teamwork and collaboration, wonderful things can be achieved." In response to DepEd programs and projects, Delfin Albano High School under the leadership of Dr. Lydia M. Kawan continuously on its quest in bringing education to sustenance and transformation. To closely monitor and evaluate classrooms aligned with Basic Education Monitoring and Project Hero, the school invited adjudicators from different schools to choose the best classroom setup that features space and walls communicating the department's mission and vision. And today is the most anticipated moment, the search for Best in Classroom Setup awarding ceremony.
Grade 7 Curriculum. 6th place, Grade 7 Sunflower, RIZALYN Lozano Advisor. 5th place, Grade 7 Tulip, Juvelin Gamaru Advisor. For the 4th place, Grade 7 Dahlia, Lerma Macapallag Advisor. For the 3rd place, Grade 7 SANTAN, Lolita Ramirez Advisor. For the 2nd place, Grade 7 SAMPAGUITA, Trinidad Joyce Zipagan Advisor. And for the 1st place, Grade 7 Rose, Maryjane Buraga Advisor.
For the Best ARH or Resting Area, Grade 7 Ross, Maryjane Buraga Advisor. For Best Reading Area, Grade 7 Sampaguita, Trinidad Joyce Zipagan Advisor. For Best OK sa DepEd Corner, Grade 7 Ross, Maryjane Buraga Advisor. For Best Gulayan sa Paaralan, Grade 7 Sampaguita, Trinidad Joyce Zipagan Advisor. And for Best Landscape, Grade 7 Sampaguita, Trinidad Joyce Zipagan Advisor. Grade 8 Curriculum. 7th place, Grade 8 Masinop, Maryjane Buraga Advisor. 6th place, Grade 8 Magalang, Karen Joy Correg Advisor. 5th place, Grade 8 Matyaga, Francie Maltu Advisor. 4th place, Grade 8 Masunurin, Nino Deray Advisor. 3rd place, Grade 8 Maunawain, Maryjane Sarangay Advisor. 2nd place, Grade 8 Masipag, Catherine Valdeleon Advisor. And the 1st place, Grade 8 Marangal, GIRLIE WONG Advisor. And for Best ARH or Resting Area, Grade 8 Masipag, Catherine Valdeleon Advisor. For Best Reading Area, Grade 8 Marangal, Girlie Wong, Advisor. For Best Okay sa DepEd Corner, Grade 8 Marangal, Girlie Wong, Advisor. For Best Gulayan sa Paaralan, Grade 8 Masipag, Catherine Valderion, Advisor. And for Best Landscape, Grade 8 Maunawain, Maryjane Sarangay, Advisor.
Grade 9 Curriculum. 5th place, Grade 9 Diamond, RIZALYN Alum, Advisor. For the 4th place, Grade 9 Emerald, Richie Ann Zipagan, Advisor. 3rd place, Grade 9 Amethyst, Esteban Dabo Jr., Advisor. For the 2nd place, Grade 9 Ruby, Noveline T. Mancilia, Advisor. And for the 1st place, Grade 9 Sapphire, Sheryl Bulatao, Advisor.
For Best ARH Resting Area, Grade 9 Sapphire, Sheryl Bulatao, Advisor. For Best Reading Area, Grade 9 Sapphire, Sheryl Bulatao, Advisor. For Best Okay sa DepEd Corner, Grade 9 Sapphire, Sheryl Bulatao, Advisor. For Best Gulayan sa Paaralan, Grade 9 Amethyst, Esteban Dabo Jr., Advisor. And for Best Landscape, Grade 9 Sapphire, Sheryl Bulatao, Advisor. Grade 10 Curriculum. For the 5th place, Grade 10 Burgos, Mark Boy Zipagan, Advisor. 4th place, Grade 10 Bonifacio, Maribel Pagigan, Advisor. Third place, Grade 10 Rizal, Aimee Balabo, Advisor. For the 2nd place, Grade 10 Del Pilar, Maryjane Caguioa, Advisor. And the 1st place, Grade 10 Aquino, Lilet Tumaliwan, Advisor. For Best ARH or Resting Area, Grade 10 Aquino, Lilet Tumaliwan, Advisor. For Best Reading Area, Grade 10 Del Pilar, Maryjane Caguioa, Advisor. For Best Okay sa DepEd Corner, Grade 10 Aquino, Lilet Tumaliwan, Advisor. For Best Gulayan sa Paaralan, Grade 10 Del Pilar, Maryjane Caguioa, Advisor. And for the Best Landscape, Grade 10 Aquino, Lilet Tumaliwan, Advisor. To all our winners and awardees, congratulations and God bless us all.